Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Thursday. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends what's really happening on the economic news. Since it's Thursday, we don't really have much. What we have is only unemployment claims, which I think maybe it's quite aggressive. But besides that, we also have advanced GDP quarter over quarter for US, by the way. And we also have pending home sales around 4 after the market opened. So the most important one here that I see is going to be tomorrow. But we have also Japan. They're going to actually give us their interest rates. But the most important one is going to be core PCE. I'm talking about this for for the whole week. I've been repeating this. So if this number is going to go a little bit lower, it's going to be very good for the dollar because it's going to be going down, and that will mean that other stock market will actually breathe, right? So I think for that it's fine, guys. Don't forget that we still have that special. You can just enjoy our lifetime signals. Our lifetime VIP signals for only $60. This is going to end this month, and I think it's going to be next week, Tuesday. So our normal price for this, I think, it's around $450. I think $450. So which means you're saving a lot. You can get Nasdaq, US30, S&P 500. Gold, US oil, and the currency pairs. You can just WhatsApp me here or Telegram me here or check the link in the description, and then you can just talk to me there, right? So now, without wasting much of the time, let's go on the analysis. We are on DXY. You can easily see that, yes, the market has been going up for quite some time, but on top of there, we reached a level that we can call actually a resistance. If we go back, we have that. We have that resistance. I just tried to cut it and just have it here, and it shows that the market is seriously respecting this level. So slowly the market is going down. There you can see something like that, so which means the market will end up reaching this resistance area, but once it reaches this point, it's going to be a support area. So which means that the dollar, it's losing some smaller momentum there. So guys, today you can see that there is no actually a webcam there because I'm working on the road, guys. I'm moving very quick. So yeah, I'm planning not to place it this any further because I think it gives us enough space. I think the main character here is it's supposed to be the chart, not me. I hope you understand that, right? So now I'm expecting the market to go a little bit lower, which means the dollar is losing that momentum a little bit, which is good because other pairs like, let's say, instruments like indices or gold, they will try actually to breathe a little bit. But since we have earnings on the indices, that might be a different story. Plus, tensions are still going on. We also have PCE on Friday, so that can also make things to move in different ways. So let's try to be extra careful. So I'm expecting the market to touch this area before going up, unless if the market breaks out. But the structure, it's actually a wedge, so which means the market might just squeeze here before we get a proper breakout, maybe to the upside or maybe to the downside. But at the moment, at least the market or the dollar is cooling off, it's cooling down. So what it's happening on USD JPY? Very good, some very nice stuff there. We did smash this one very nice. This signals was sent in our VIP group and also our free group. So which means if you joined our team maybe yesterday or day before yesterday, most likely you were going to be recovering your $60. So try to do the math, you will see. So on this structure, we are on a very nice uptrend structure. So we expecting the market to do what? To continue going even higher. But you can see that the market was consolidating. This structure and this one here, they were just quite the same. So now we have this breakout, which is quite similar to this breakout. So even here we had a very proper buy pending order, which it was triggered. And now I just told them, you know what, guys, just let's close that. It seems like the market, it will take time to reach that level, and there is a possibility for the market to reverse there. So the market might just move like that, but what we know is we are still on that uptrend. But as long as we did smash that one, it's better than nothing. So let's push to the next one, which is Euro JPY. This was also smashed. Let me just show you these signals, because I might even forget to show you this. So, but I think on this one I've been preaching, even here on our daily analysis. I think I was also showing you that for quite some time. So I think I did. Come on. Okay. So the first one you can see is USD JPY. I already analyzed that. And Nasdaq 100, I was expecting a continuation of a buy, but you know what? The market did reverse there, which for yesterday is only one signal that disappointed. So let's see JPY, it's also here. You can see that. So we had a smaller breakout, and I said, guys, let's jump on that. Likely enough, yes, the market did go even higher. But today I told them, you know what, guys, let's close that. It's better than nothing. So that's what you see at the moment. I also sent them that screenshot on the analysis to show them this is actually what I see. So you can easily see that, yes, the market is still on this nice uptrend. It's been going up like that. So I'm expecting the market to keep going up, but a reversal is also reasonable. I think the market can also do that. So I am expecting that reversal. So our 500 Rand account, guys, we are going to restart next week, which it's going to be the start of the month. So this is what we have. This is what we have at the moment. So which means we had a nice proper resistance there. Instead of the market respecting this area, then the market decided to break, and we jumped on that, and it's still going up. And that was quite straightforward trade, because the market never reversed on this one, and the market just went straight up, quite similar to USD JPY. Unfortunately, while we were still eating on Euro JPY, I missed this one. Actually, I did not really miss this one, because I actually had a notification, but just because I gave my people a Euro JPY, I did not really want to give them the same thing which are positively correlating. I just avoided this, as we were also eating on Euro JPY. But what's really happening here is, yes, the structure, it's obviously going on the upside. We saw a nice consolidation structure here, and if you can see there, the market actually broke out. So which means the market is now on aggressive bullish momentum, as GBP is quite stronger against JPY. So at the moment, there's nothing we can do. The market is already going up, so which means we're just waiting for the market to create something like a resistance that we can end up using going further. Or maybe the market will just reverse, maybe just to give us another retest. But it's up to the market. We can't force the market. At the moment, we just need to wait and see. So what's really happening on Bitcoin? Bitcoin is still playing games. You can easily see that, yes, the overall structure, it's actually going to the upside. We are on a very nice uptrend. The market is going up. The market is going up. So this is what we see. We are on this nice uptrend, but the market is playing around this support area, or very closer to the support area, so which means we might see a very nice push to the upside. But at the moment, you just need to be extra careful, because anything can happen. The market can still break out of this area, but what we see, the market is still above our support area. That's why we're still expecting the market to go even higher. So now let's go straight to Euro USD. What's really happening on Euro USD? We can easily see that, yeah, we are still on that downtrend. You can see that. So I'm expecting something to happen around number 5 there. You see, so we were expecting the market to do exactly this. So now the market is here. So the question is, will the market respect this area and continue going down? It's up to the market. We have to wait for the market to do that. or maybe the market might end up even touching around this resistance, not exactly there, but it might touch our resistance before even going down. Yes, the bigger structure is on this nice downtrend. So at the end of the day, we are downtrending. That's why we are still looking for those downtrends. Yes, the market is trying to reverse, but at the end of the day, we are still on that downtrend. The overall picture or the overall trend is still going down. So remember, we follow the trend. We don't even try to go against the trend, and that it will give you peace of mind. Sometimes what we want or what we need in trading, we just need peace of mind. We can't always be stressed because you just get in, get out. Just understand where the trend is going and follow that trend. You see, so for those who wants to learn from us or from me, our mentorship is actually $350. You can pay this maybe in 2 months. You can split payment, or maybe 3 months. It will be up to you, as long as you understand our terms, and then it will be good. As long as you wanna learn, just let me know. We can also give you some discounts if you don't really mind. So we are on GBPUSD. What's really happening? Quite similar structure. The market still gave us quite similar structure to Euro JPY, but the reversal here, because the dollar is losing that momentum, we can see that it's seriously aggressive. So obviously it's trying to move towards that number 5 before we see a continuation of a sell, as the market is on this nice downtrend structure. Do you see that? So I'm expecting something like that to happen. So yes, there is a chance for the market to respect this area. There is enough chance for the market to respect this area before we see something like that happens. Something like that can happen, so let's be extra careful. Don't just jump on a sell before the market shows you what's really happening. So now we are on this gold. Gold, it's been actually showing us that, you know what, guys, yes, I was on a bullish momentum, but it seems like slowly the market is trying to reverse. You can see that the market has been trying to be on this aggressive bullish structure going further, but we see that the market just broke out, and now we see a nice consolidation structure. I did talk about this structure here yesterday, that don't just jump on the market, because you can see this level. It's where the market is actually consolidating. So to me, I can say it's not really safe for anyone just to play around those zones. The market is still consolidating, but we understand that just because the market broke out, it shows us that the market will end up doing what? The market will end up continuing maybe with the downtrend structure. So that is possible. So, but for us to jump, I don't think we have to jump in this consolidation structure, as we can see enough of consolidation. Rather wait for the market to break this resistance, sorry, not resistance, a support area, before going even lower. Do you see that? I hope you see that. So that's what I'm expecting, but there is a chance that the market can actually try to break out and maybe go to the upside. That is also possible with the market, especially when we have geopolitics left and right, and we also have economic news at the moment. So like Friday, we have something big, PCE. It's quite big, quite similar to CPI. So that might change the way we see things at the moment, right? So now we are on US30. US30 was on a very nice uptrend structure, but we are no longer on that uptrend structure, as we had a proper breakout structure. So now we are going down. You can see that the market is creating something like that, but on that smaller downtrend structure, it shows us that, you know what, guys, the market actually tried to break out of that structure. The first structure started here. You can see here we had something like that. Then boom, the market was going down, but guess what? On this nice downtrend structure, the market changed everything. Let's just go on 2 hours time frame. The market changed everything. Now we can easily see that, yes, the market was trying to go down. Around number 4, we can easily see that the market broke out, and there is nothing that we can do at the moment. So we can easily draw this support and resistance. Maybe the market will be playing around those zones before we see a breakout. But if the market reaches this support area, it's where we can look for that buy. But we have some earnings left and right, and it seems like those tech companies are performing very well, but not really crazy well, and it seems like the market is not impressed by that. So which means it's better for us just to wait for PCE tomorrow. It's tomorrow, right? I think it's tomorrow. Yeah, it's tomorrow. So maybe that will change some stuff, but we just have to understand that even though we have PCE, there are still some earnings later today or after the market closes. So Microsoft and I think it's Amazon, Microsoft and also Google or Alphabet, they are going to release their earnings. If they are positive, maybe we will see a very nice push, but it seems like the market is not really interested in that. But this breakout here shows us that it seems like the market is willing to do what? To continue going even further. But let's be extra careful. We did it a few days ago. So this is what we have on Nasdaq 100. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. For those who want to be part of the team and eat with us, we have $60 lifetime VIP signals. So if you want to start to eat with us, if you want to receive unlimited signals, let me know. You pay once and you're done. You just enjoy the signals. So you can just WhatsApp me, Telegram me, check the link in description. You will find my WhatsApp link, then you can talk to me. So what's really happening on Nasdaq? We can easily see that yes, the market was on a very proper uptrend until we started to have this breakout, and that showed us that the market is quite weaker, or maybe the dollar, it was quite stronger, right? And yes, let's see. We had a proper downtrend structure, which to me it's like very short. 1, 2, 3, around number 4 there. The market was still respecting our structures very nice. You can see this type of a move, lower low, lower high. But around this level, the market respected that, and now we see that the market was starting to do what? To go on the upside. But we did smash the market, likely enough. We did smash the market. The only one that actually disappointed, let's draw this here. Okay, the only one that disappointed, it's this only move. We did smash this area, this point, but now we saw a proper breakout there. I think today I have some crazy lines. They're not supposed to be like that. They're supposed to be something like this, you see. So you can easily see that now we had a proper, this was a proper breakout. Instead of the market going up, unfortunately the market reversed here, and obviously that was not actually a good trade, but it seems like the market is trying to reverse here. Maybe it will be going to the upside. That will be good, obviously, but I just want to wait and relax. Later on we have some major earnings, and that might be some moves that we don't really want to take. Sometimes we just need to ignore these moves so that we can let the market cool off before we jump on the market. But this breakout here is starting to show us that maybe the market will end up going slower like that, because it can, even though the earnings are not really that impressive, the stock market is still quite stronger, or still like performing very well. So now we are on S&P 500. It's also performing very well. We had some adjustment going further here, but I'm talking about this uptrend structure. We can see we had some inner support lines there, but guess what? The market ended up breaking out, and that showed us that the stock market was getting weaker, slowly weaker. And guess what? We had this smaller very short downtrend structure. I thought maybe the market was going to continue for quite long, but it seems like the market was not on that. So you can easily see that yes, the market did give us something there, but very short. We thought maybe this trend was still going to mature, but no, that was short-lived. So what we see here is the market is now creating another structure. I can see that it's a potential resistance where we are, a potential support. Maybe the market will just play around before going up, but the best thing, I will just wait for the market to open. For those who did not really hear that I won't be really available this week and next week, please be advised that even our signals this week is not going to be that much, as I'm actually busy with other things. So yeah, but I will keep updating you once I have that smaller chance. Then if maybe there is an update, I will just let you know. So it seems like the market is giving us this support vibes here, which means the market might end up going up. So that is something that I see. On the bottom side, I also see something that might also make sense. Remember, the market is trying to get its fresh structures, so we have to try so many things here. We have to try. So it seems like it will make sense, but on Nasdaq it's a different story. So let's see, something like that. Yeah, it seems like something like that. So I think here it might be a very nice buy. I will have to send this on our group. It seems to be a very nice structure for a buy. So I will see what I can do in the group. If you are part of the group, so don't worry, you will get your updates in the group. So US oil, what's really happening? Nothing much, nothing much. But it shows that the market broke out of that smaller, it's been going up for quite some time, so we had a breakout, boom, the market actually went even lower. 2 minutes later or a few hours later, the market started to push to the upside. So it seems like the market wants to give us something like this. Do you see that? Something like that. We have a support and resistance here. So at the end of the day, it seems like the market will just end up doing something like this. Do you see that? So this is actually a bigger of consolidation structure. Then we will just wait and see, because with this breakout there, it shows us that the market was supposed to do what? To continue going down. So for me to not make this video very longer, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. If you want to be part of the team, there it is, we have that special. So let me know if you want to be part of the team. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.